material matters in material handling. Customers choose MFG Tray products because they possess superior physical properties over thermoplastic products such as high and low temperature rating, high weight capacity, they're lighter in weight, chemical and corrosion resistant, and more economical than metal containers. At MFG Tray, we like to encourage our customers to consider exceptionally durable composite products for their material handling solutions. The material handling industry is tough on equipment. Working with hot, heavy, or dangerous material and working around the clock isn't for the average thermoplastic product. But MFG Tray's composite containers are up for the challenge. Fiberglass reinforced composite is temperature resistant and can withstand extreme cold of -60 degrees Fahrenheit to extreme heat of 250 degrees Fahrenheit constant, 300 degrees Fahrenheit plus at intermittent use. MFG's products feature impermeable surfaces that are resistant to most mild acids, detergents, cutting oils, and alkaline solutions in the pH range of 3.0 to 10.0. We offer hundreds of different containers for general and specific processing, conveying, transporting, and storing material. MFG Tray Toteline brand products possess high strength-to-part weight ratio exceeding aluminum or metal. They're dimensionally consistent and structurally stronger than wood or thermoplastic products, lighter in weight than metal containers and trays. MFG Tray containers can handle extreme stacking capacity, will not crush under heavy loading like thermoplastic and wood products. MFG Tray products are formulated to be unaffected by irradiation procedures, unlike thermoplastic containers. MFG Tray Toteline products are ideal for machine integration and robotic applications because of consistent structural dimensions and tear weight. MFG Tray containers and trays are made to last in severe and heavy-duty environments, yielding a high return on investment. Some customers report in service for over 15+ years without replacement. MFG Tray products can be easily customized and modified per customer-specific fabrication request, such as adding drain holes, slots, or cutting grooves, adding grommets, casters, and dollies. MFG Tray's material handling products save valuable floor and bench space. Our unique nest and stack containers have the ability to stack on top of each other when full and nest within each other when empty. Regardless of how you're using these containers, they're saving space.
The durability, I mean, they last forever. I mean, I don't know how many hundreds of the pans we have around the plant, but they last a long time. We put them through use. I mean, we're putting thousands and thousands of pliers through our plant as they get moved through the operations. They're getting handled in these containers. They last. I mean, they're kind of like our tools. They last forever. I mean, you buy the right product, and you know it's going to last for you.
MFG Tray manufactures its own sheet molding compound formulated for quality assurance in our material handling products. With the multi-directional fibers that are in our parts, it increases the tensile strength of that part and makes it more rigid than a thermoplastic would be.
A lot of our industrial applications, the parts are a little beefier, they're stronger, they're thicker. I think any time that you see your product, quality product going out, knowing that somebody's going to be using that, there is a sense of pride. It's just really a good feeling knowing that our parts are all over the place and people are happy with them. And we've been in business for 60 years and we're still going strong.
MFG Tray's combination of performance, durability, and flexibility of composites really makes the difference in the material handling industry. To find out about all of our material handling solutions, check out our website at mfgtray.com or find us on Facebook.